Hi. Today we will see how to use the column header names in a formula inside Microsoft Excel sheet. First, let's understand what the problem is. I have an Excel sheet opened here. I have written some data in it, like subject 1 marks, subject 2 marks, etc. And in the last column, I have written the total figure. If I click the last cell, in the Formula tab, I can see that this total figure is the addition of E2 and A2 cells. Now, I have to manually search myself, what is E2 and A2? So E2 is subject 5 marks. And A2 is subject 1 marks. So this total figure is the addition of the subject 1 and subject 5 marks. Now imagine, if this formula was more complex, and there were more number of columns in this Excel sheet. So it would be really difficult and time-consuming for us to analyze what each cell in the formula actually means. So there is a way to handle this issue. We can use these column headers inside the formula, so that it would be really easy for us to read the formula and understand it quickly. Let's see how to do this. First of all, select all the data. Then, search for the format as a table option. Here you can see various table formats. Choose any one you like. I'm going to choose this blue one. In this window, make sure that the My Table has headers checkbox is selected. Now our data is placed inside a table. Now, I will remove this existing formula from this total cell. And try to write the formula again. See, as soon as I typed equal to sign, and selected the E2 cell, the header name of the E column is written over here, as subject 5. Then I will write a plus sign. And select the A2 cell. So now the header name of column A is also written here. Now, if I select this total cell, I can see the formula like this. Here, instead of just the cell names, now the actual column header names are used. And as you can see, now it is much more easy to understand this formula. It simply says that the formula is adding subject 5 and subject 1 marks. I hope this trick helps you. Thanks for watching.